You're watching Newstainment Television.
I think I should leave that all my dear senior journalists and friends who've known me since I was like, I think
Not
what,
even born.
Yeah, probably that. Hanging around on Lolo's sets, asking Komalji also, what are the collections? What are the collections of this movie, that movie? So I've grown up in wanting to be on the big screen, wanting to act all my life. जैसे मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि एक्टिंग मेरे रगों में दौड़ रहा है, मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती, मैं कैमरा के सामने आना is something that I just live for. It's my passion, and I want to keep doing it till, I don't know, forever.
Forever, I'm sure.
जैसे I think this is a film which is very very special to I think all of us, because I think आज के दौर में language doesn't really matter. आप कौन से भाषा में फिल्म बना रहे हैं वो इतना मायने नहीं रखता है, आप क्या बना रहे हो, that is what is important. तो आप देखिए कि हमने क्या बनाया है, दिल से बनाया है. I'd like to thank the first person actually is my dear Ekta, who actually had the belief and the guts to always stand by me, to always say that okay, fine, we're going to do this, we're going to do it together, and whatever we've done, we've always been super successful, and I'm very confident again this time that it's going to be fabulous. She truly has been the backbone. Of course, this film wouldn't have been what it is without the man himself, the captain of the ship. I think the way he's shot it, the way he's made me also kind of, you know, be the character, made me so comfortable. We made this film, I think, with something that we wanted to do. We loved the story idea, we loved the script. When Hansal sent it to me, I was like, we have to make this. I think we made it happen. That is what is most important, and I'm so happy that in my career graph I've had the opportunity to work with him, because I've worked with so many directors, and I'm so happy that this is in a film where I think this character is more special to me. So thank you so much, and that's it. I just hope you guys love it, and I'm sure you will.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Kareena Kapoor Khan, of course, the super.
Kareena, you have produced this film.
Yes.
I have produced this film. How? I have only listened to Hansal and Ekta. I don't listen to anyone else. That's all. So I produced it by believing in the script.
Yes.
That's what.
The biggest internationally all women producers who've gone ahead and turned producers is because they wanted to make films they believe in, and then they've got billion dollar companies after that. This is your belief.
I hope
Please
so. I'll get the next Balaji. Okay, that's mine. Promise me. Bigger and better.
We are manifesting awesomeness, ladies and gentlemen, on this stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां, of course, for this team.
I also
Cynthia
want to
Khan.
add one thing that, you know, I think most people love to watch a good crime film, you know. जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाषा के मायने नहीं होती कि क्या है आप, you know, तमिल, तेलुगु, हिंदी, इंग्लिश किस में बात कर रहे हो. Everybody enjoys watching a good whodunit. At least for me, I have been crazy about watching detective shows. So actually for me, I've done this film because I wanted to be a detective. I wanted to solve that murder. Now what the murder is, how it's related to the character is, of course, I think this big emotional journey which I have gone through, which I want each one of you all to see. But yeah, watch it for a great fun experience of a crime thriller. That how the bats always know where we are, no? I should be a detective to them.
Hey everyone, congratulations first of all, Hansal sir, Kareena and Ekta. Here I am, Namita Sachdev from Filmy. My question goes to you, Kareena. Firstly, congratulations, back-to-back hits aap de rahe ho. Now from playing Geet in Jab We Met to now playing Jazz, both are Sadani's character. I can easily relate because I'm also a Punjabi. So what traits of Geet would we going to be see in this Jazz, or aap totally change ho chuke ho?
No, I don't think so, because I think that was a completely different film. And also I think up to an actor to, you know, do different. It doesn't matter if you're playing the same authenticity of a religion. Like if I'm a Sikhni, it doesn't mean that I'm going to be Bhatinda or Sikhni. I should also be able to play the detective Jas Bamra and still be different. So I think that's up to an actor to kind of, you know, showcase different parts. It's important. Like I've played prostitute Chameli, but at the same time in Talash. But if you put both of them together, they're completely different. So I think same like this also, that it's a completely different character. I don't know, let's leave that for you guys to find out, na? I think that is what connected me to the character, which I felt was that it was the emotion and her emotional arc which I wanted to portray on screen, apart from also, you know, her being one of my favorite characters to play, which is a detective. So somehow it just had so much soul in it that I felt that this is the right time for me to feel this character and to play it. Also, it would be very different from, you know, whether it was Crew or whether it was Jaane Jaan, which also happened this year. And I feel it is the duty of every actor to also try to keep doing something differently over and over again. And that is something which I love doing. So, as far as also your next question, which was balancing personal and professional, I don't know, I think I enjoy that hustle of, you know, working at the same time, of you know, being a mother and a wife. I love it. I would say that एक अलग तरह का सिनेमा है. I think जैसे आज देखा जाए तो I don't think there is कि ये ऐसे सिनेमा है because it is this kind of a song, you know, song and dance film, so we should put it in a box कि ये, you know, mass picture है, ये अच्छी picture है तो लोग देखेंगे. And we have like, I mean, I think there's nobody better than to make this film which has such amazing content at the same time as emotion than Hansal himself, because I think the way he has shot it and stuck to the authenticity of the film, which is वो London में रहने वाली है, her life is in UK, so when you live there you talk to people in English only. तो जो characters वहाँ के हैं, जो हिंदी जानते हैं हम हिंदी बात कर रहे हैं, जो अंग्रेजी है अंग्रेजी बात कर रहे हैं. So it's a different mix, and I think he's been perfect to shoot this film and make this film with the emotion. I think every director has a different vision which they have in their mind, and I think director की जिम्मेदारी है कि वो एक atmosphere create करे film का. Film's entire milieu जो है, जो पूरा vibe है एक film का, that is the director's vision, and what he requires from the artist, I believe that he will convey it to the actor, and the actor there, either some actors like to prepare, some actors like to react instantly, try to be like that, and I think Hansal and me are quite similar in that way, and that is why we enjoyed working together, is because I find Hansal very, very instinctive as a director. He knows कि नहीं मुझे मिल गया है. I know exactly, and वो इतना ही चाहिए मुझे. I know because in his mind he's editing the film, he knows exactly, and that is something because I am also quite precise as an actress. I like to know कि क्या है, मुझे बता दो, and मैं कर लूँगी. So yeah, so I think in that sense, that's why I feel the character has come so much to life, because I think both of us have been very, very instinctive with this particular character. I think an actor's job is to act, to do different roles. An actor's job is to select great scripts, whatever he is offered, to the best of that. An actor's job actually comes into play when he's listening to a script in his living room or in his vanity van, wherever he chooses to listen or read his or her script. That is where a film is actually born and made. And that is the job of an actor. Beyond that, I think we have experts who do their job as well, and the audience comes in to watch a film, and if the film is, like I said, anything, however, but entertaining, but fun, or thrilling, or emotional, I think they're ready for it. And there's no better time than today.
This is Newstainment Television.